In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Disney stock on Robinhood. So if you're someone that likes Disney and wants to buy stock in their company with a certain broker, Robinhood is a good choice. So what we can do is just go into our Robinhood app, let you log in. So what you really need to do is just go up to the search bar at the top right corner to search any ETF or stock or penny stock, anything that you really want, and go ahead and click that. As you see, it's in my recent searches. So what you want to do is just type in Disney and it'll come up. So what you can do is just check on Disney. Now this is going to give you the price of the stock currently. Now it's after hours now, but this will give you the option here to look at the price, give you some information about the company itself and the volume and all that stuff with the stock price. And you would just want to go to the bottom where it says trade and go to buy. And then you would want to select how many shares you want to do. I have one share in mind, so you would hit review. I don't have enough buying power in here anyway, but that is what you would do. You would swipe up, you would buy the share, and then what would happen is it would show up into your list of stocks and ETFs in your list here, and that's it. That is how you would buy Disney stock on Robinhood. It's real simple, really easy, and it's always there when you want to go back and look at it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.